1964. That was the year Honda shook the world by entering Formula One with the RA271. Now, 60 years later, Casio Edifice is celebrating that racing legacy with a watch that looks like it was pulled straight from a cockpit. This is the ECB-2300HR, the Honda Racing Edition. Casio Edifice is known for speed and intelligence, but their collaborations with Honda Racing, HRC, are on another level. This isn't just a watch with a logo slapped on it, it's a tribute to 6 decades of Japanese engineering. Let's see if the tech under the hood matches the styling. The first thing you notice is the colorway. The red, white, and black palette is a direct nod to the original RA271 racing colors. The dial, it's a genuine carbon fiber dial, the same material used in F1 chassis for strength and weight savings. The case, this uses Casio's carbon core guard structure. It's incredibly tough, but keeps the watch light on the wrist. The strap. Instead of standard leather, you get an Alcantara strap with red stitching. This is the same high-grip material used in the seats of high-performance racing cars. It feels premium and stays comfortable even when things get sweaty. But it's not just a pretty face. This is a smart analog-digital hybrid. Smart Solar, you never have to change a battery. It charges from any light source, even the fluorescent lights in your office. Smartphone Link. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth. It automatically adjusts to the local time when you land in a new city and lets you manage the 1/1000th second stopwatch data right on the app. Super Illuminator. The double LED light is incredibly bright, ensuring you can read the time even during a night race at Suzuka. If you're a Honda fan or just a motorsport nerd, this is a must-have piece of history. It's rugged, solar-powered, and packed with a racing DNA. So, what do you think? Does the Honda collaboration justify the upgrade, or are you waiting for the next Red Bull edition? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more watch reviews.